Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to those watching on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
We begin this evening with an update on the energy situation in St. Elizabeth. The Jamaica Public Service, JPS, says restoration of power in the parish has been completed.
It comes 8 weeks after Hurricane Beryl hammered the island and 2 days ahead of the utility company's August 31 deadline to restore all its customers in the Breadbasket parish. Ramada Lyons reports.
Power at last. 58 days after Hurricane Beryl left them in darkness, people across St. Elizabeth have finally got some good news. So good, cheering and shouts of joy followed.
JPS has now completed power restoration in the parish of St. Elizabeth 3 days ahead of schedule. Let me say that again.
Jamaica Public Service, JPS President Hugh Grant, was addressing a crowd in Ginger Hill on Thursday during a back-to-school event hosted by the company. He said sections of the company's energy network have been completely rebuilt and the rebuilding will continue in the weeks to come. But even with full restoration, some customers may still have no electricity in their homes. He explained why.
I want to be clear. Some customers may still have issues on their properties, which is preventing them from receiving supply. But their communities are back. So we are working with those customers to have those issues resolved so we can get them the power, because the power is in the communities.
St. Elizabeth was one of the parishes hardest hit by Hurricane Beryl, with scores of residents still reeling from infrastructure damage. Many homes still exposed to the elements, roofless. Many properties that were flooded still haven't been checked by electricians. Mr. Grant says accessibility is also standing in the way of many people and reconnection.
And we are working with the relevant authorities to have that also resolved.
He argues, however, that the complete restoration across the parish couldn't have come at a better time.
Right in time for back to school, one of the biggest events in the lives of our young people and their families. We have forged amazing partnerships, and you all have been patient, allowing our teams time to do this rebuild and restoration.
Now, with complete restoration in St. Elizabeth, he says it brings the island's restoration post-Hurricane Beryl to completion.
That is good news. So our near 7,000 customers have now been fully restored post-Hurricane Beryl.
Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.